Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So I'm taking a break from the craft room to share with you a box that I was introduced to on Audrey's channel. She is Sewgoodall here on YouTube, and I'll put her link down below. She does she actually does quite a few project shares and hauls, and she's just really sweet, and I don't always comment on her channel, but I love it. I always looking forward to her posts. So if you're looking for a new channel and you haven't been to Audrey's page, definitely go check her out. Anyway, on one of her videos, I want to say either November or December, I can't remember which one, she had shared this craft kit box that I was not aware of. And y'all know I love Nutcrackers. And this one was a Nutcracker box, and I was really lucky because I think this was an October kit, and it was still available on the Craft Stash website. But I'll include that information in the description for you guys. But anywho, and if you love this kit, Audrey has one left. She had bought multiples and gifted them to some of her YouTube friends, and she has one left. So if you're in love with it and you're needing it, reach out to her, and make sure you reach out first, because I have a feeling a bunch of y'all are gonna love it. And I'll put again her information down in the description for you guys. So hi Audrey, and thanks for sharing this box because I love it. Hi y'all, it's Rochelle, your delightful crafter. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes, always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So what is the kit? I gave a sneak peek of it in a few videos ago, but it's called the Papercraft Society. And they are in the US and the UK, but I was only able to find this on the UK site, and I do believe it's sold out now on both, but they do have some past kits still available if you want to go check them out. So that's the website. And I'm keeping the box. This box is going to be great for like storing projects, and it's adorable. And look at those nutcrackers. Love, love, love. So let's start with, here are the main items. So this is mainly the stamp set, dies, and I think there's coordinating paper in there. And then as you can see, I haven't even opened that yet. And then this was in the bottom. Now this was only available, so this was the October kit. And so, I mean, that is no good because that was only for the month of October. But I believe the die set in here is for crackers. In the UK, crackers or poppers are really popular at Christmas time, and some people even decorate their Christmas trees with them. So, but anyway, when I saw this on Audrey's channel, I was just like, oh yeah. And I was so lucky. The price was amazing. I think I got it for like 15 pounds. And then, shipping was really reasonable as well. I like to save tissue paper, so I'm being gentle with the sticker. Oh, got a little bit. There we go. Got lucky. Again, Papercraft Society. I'm going to stick that over on the pineapple. We're going to set this aside for a minute. First, we're just going to look at this adorable envelope. And one thing I have discovered is they put, and I think this is fantastic, their envelopes are meant so that you can store them away, see exactly which box it is, and then, the envelope kind of gives you a hint of the project. So apparently this one was designed by Helen Griffin, and I don't I don't know if she's the artist for this one or if they have rotating ones for different kits, or I don't know. Anywho, don't forget to share your makes with us at #PapercraftSociety. So first flip, we have the die set. So this one here, right here, is to make your cracker. And you would cut 2 of these out to make one. And you can actually make them longer if you want. But then you also have a die for a ballerina. Here is a nutcracker die. You have your holly berry. You have little ornaments so you can decorate the tree. Bows. Gift tags. It's just really awesome. So there's that one. Then we have the stamp set. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. So here are the stamps that are included. So you have a lantern, you have the drum, the French horn, bells, you have the key. I'm going to call that Santa's key. Twinkle all the way, Merry Christmas, Have a Cracking Christmas, Joy to the World. You have different ornaments, poinsettias. There's our handsome nutcracker, our ballerina, just all kinds of wonderful stamps to, you know, either make really adorable gift tags, decorate a card. Super, super awesome. And this is a 6x8 stamp set. And he tucks in really neat right there. And then let's check out the papers. And it looks like they even have some in here to do tags. Oh, there's actually, yeah. So we have different tags in here. Look, oh my gosh, I love him. Merry Christmas. I love it. So, like I said, I just got this. And then we have, so these you stick inside your nutcracker. And nutcrackers can have toys or messages. And what often falls at the North Pole but never gets hurt? Snow. Knock, knock. Who's there? Hannah. Hannah who? Hannah Partridge in a Pear Tree. What goes, now you see me, now you don't? A snowman on a zebra coursing. I don't know what that is. I think a lot of these might be like British humor, so we might not get some of it, but a donkey carried Mary to Bethlehem. What do you call a 3-legged donkey? A wonky. So, super, super fun. I'm going to have to research and see like if like, there are more of these out there, you know, like you can print and stick in your poppers or crackers. So, and I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm just in love, 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 love that little nutcracker. So there's those. Then, is it, yeah, so these are single-sided. So we have single-sided pattern paper, and it's a really good weight. I like it. And I love the nutcrackers. They're super, super cute. Then we have this blue with Merry Christmas. Love the little floral print. Very nice. And then we have our baubles, or ornaments as we call them. So that is the pattern paper in this kit. I am in love already. And we haven't even opened up what is in the tissue paper. So, my daughter told me this morning, she's like, Mom, your room's looking good. I'm so excited. So, anywho, so we're going to close this up and make room for whatever is stashed in here. So we're going to pull all this out. I'll fold that up and put that away. So, I love this. These kind of look like, elements on the table of elements. So P, little s, so for Paper Society. And so is there a card in here that tells us? Yeah. So this, I believe every one of these comes with one of these little books, and it has, I believe, artwork in it. Or, you know, it says, yeah, so contents. It shows different, so like here they made a bookmark and they put it on the front of a card. Here they just made it a little gift box. Card fronts. Here are the crackers. But I believe every one of these kits comes with one of these books. So here it is displaying the... Oh, so we have bells. We have bells. I don't know what this is. We're going to find... F is cracker snaps. Oh, okay. A Christmas cracker needs a snap or a bang. So we've included some just for you to complete your fab creation. See, these are... So cracker pulls. So I guess when you pull it open, it makes a noise. I might have to get more of these. Always provide adult supervision. So, we have ribbon, a note, and then we have cards, and B is embossing ink. And then we have embossing powder. So we have the silver embossing powder, and this is... Funny, I don't even see it in the mentions. Die set ink pad, ribbon, snacker, blah, blah, blah. So this isn't even... Maybe this is an extra. I don't know. I'm cool with that. So, here we go. So it tells you everything you need to make your Christmas cracker. Comes with a coordinating cardstock. It shows you how to... This is really nice. It shows you how to cut it out, how to piece it together, decorate it. So here it does show the embossing powder. So I don't know... Huh. So Helen Griffin must be the designer of this particular kit. And so when you craft with your children, what do they like to make? So, and it asks questions and answers, and so. And then here it's showing how you can use it for cards. And so they're showing the Christmas trees as a pop-up. I love this. I love mistletoe, but here they have it with the red berries instead of the white. Super. Oh, so I love that they use the cards as like elements on the front of cards. They're showing new products. So Geometric Terrarium Ultimate Flora die set. I like that little gift boxes to put on your table settings. They turned that one into a luminary. That's really nice. So they stamped the Nutcracker on. Here's Gene. And we have discovered he is not as sweet and innocent as he portrays himself to be. He actually ran up to Karma, slapped her in the face, and chased her down the stairs. And she was just sitting there. Come here, baby. So I don't know where she went. She's gone and hid somewhere. Cute. So mini wine bottle gift box. So I don't know. I guess they sell mini wine bottles over in the UK. Since I don't drink, really, I don't know. Y'all tell me, do they have them here? I don't know, but that's adorable. Super cute. And then showing some of her favorite craft products. And there you go. So I think that's really awesome. So love that. Then we have a touch of sparkle to make Christmas magical from Helen. And so this is the instructions on how to make your cracker. And let's see. So do we get, yeah, we get 2 of each. So these are a white core cardstock. So we have a red. We have kind of like a Tiffany blue. Let's see, let go. There we go. We have this really, I never know what to call this. To me, this is like a blue with some purple to it. Somebody let me know. I don't know what you call that color. But I do love it. I love the green. The green is beautiful. Love that. And then we have, this is kind of like a peach color. So there we go. That is my kit from the Papercraft Society. I think I got a really fabulous deal. I think 15 pounds is maybe right around 20 bucks, I think. And then I think the shipping was 9 pounds. So, I don't know what the current conversion rate is, British pound to US dollar, but I think I got a really great deal. So it did come with some bells, so if you want to add bells. And then we had this really pretty like satin ribbon that came with it. So I am definitely gonna have to look these up. I think these might become a new tradition in our house. I think that'll be a lot of fun. So very nice, very nice. So yeah, so if you liked this kit, there is Audry still has one available that she is willing to let go. And so head over to her channel. I will try to find the link to her video on this kit. That way you can go just comment straight on there. Tell her that you popped over from me and let her know, and tell her hi. And subscribe, because I think you'll enjoy her channel. She does project shares quite often. So, and she is just the sweetest, and I love her. So yeah, so there we go. Papercraft Society, the Nutcracker craft kit, and I love it. So I am gonna say I've looked through, I think this might kind of be for me like the Hedgehog Hollow kit, that I will just have to pay attention and get them if I like them, because some of the past ones I wasn't quite as big of a when I was looking at what was available, I didn't care too much for. So yeah, and remember the prices are listed in British pound, so you might want to do a conversion and see what the price is before you order something, to see if it is worth it to you. But yeah, absolutely love this. I think it is a totally fantastic kit that I was fortunate to get a hold of, and we will have to do a project share on this in the very near future. So, and as promised, I will do a project share this weekend. There won't be a demo, just because I'm focusing more on the craft room, but there will be a project share, so be on the lookout for that. I do have a Tonic Studios haul that I will share with you guys tomorrow. And yeah, so I'm going to get back to the craft room. I hope you guys have a fantastic Saturday. Love you guys to pieces. Again, any questions or comments, leave them down below. And don't forget to head over to Audrey's channel and check her out and subscribe, because I'm going to tell you, you're going to love her channel. She is just a doll and sweet, and I love her. So with that, bye Audrey. Bye everybody. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.